Well, good morning, folks. We're getting threatened with a Category 2, potentially Category 3 cyclone here in Brisbane at the moment. So we're just on the outer edges of it, but it's really starting to hammer the trees and the wind's getting up. But on the upside, my motorcycle workshop has never looked prettier. We've got everything shoved in. Just look at that for some beautiful green decorations around my Triumph Sprint ST. Lovely. Maybe I should work out how I can keep this here full time. Anyway, hopefully we won't get hammered too bad, and none of my big trees here are going to fall on my garage and smash my workshop and my bikes. Anyway, catch up with you all again soon. Bye.